Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scheduling Advisor. In this video we will talk about how to install a trial version of Primavera P6 from Oracle. Let us open the browser. Let us print edelivery.oracle.com. We will be forwarded to Oracle Software Delivery Cloud sign-in page. If you have an account, click Sign In and enter your credentials. If not, click on Create Account, then enter your information with all necessary fields. Then hit Create Account and it will take you back to Sign In page to finish signing in. Once you are done signing in, you will be directed to Oracle Software Delivery Cloud page. In the search box, write P6 and hit Search. You will see different Oracle software. Choose Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. You will get a list of available different versions of Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. Version 20.12 is the latest. Choose from the list the version you want to install. It will be added to Cloud Cart. Click View Items. Then Continue. You will see the download queue. Then click Continue. It will take you to the License Agreements page, which you should read and accept. After that, you can click Continue. Here, click the download. You will have a dialog box. Click Save File. Once the download finished, go to Download Manager, click Show All Downloads and click the exe file to start Primavera P6 installation. Oracle will start to download files to your computer. Once finished downloading, close the download dialog box. Click on the file ends with 947, which is the biggest in size between compressed downloaded files. It will open P6 Professional Setup folder. Then click on it to find the P6 Professional Setup file. Extract if necessary before clicking the P6 Professional Setup file. The setup process will start. When asked, make sure to check Run Database Configuration, then click OK. In the Database Configuration dialog box, choose from the driver type list the P6 Pro Standalone SQ Lite. Then in the database alias field, I like to add the version number to the database name to make it PMDB 20.12. To distinguish the database name, click Add a New Standalone Database and Connection. Now enter a new database password. You can use admin, then confirm the new password. Click Next. Here you can edit database location if you like. Check Load Sample Data and click Save. Once done, you will have aliases saved successfully. Now installation is finished and your database is set up and ready to run Primavera P6 for the first time. In the search box, type P6, then click on P6 Professional, enter the password which we used, admin, then click Connect. You will have this dialog box about the setup of the industry. Just click OK. Go to Admin, click on Admin Preferences, click on the industry. We usually set it up to engineering and construction, then close, and you are done. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe as more content will be added to this series. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments section below and I promise to respond. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.